This tutorial will show you how to add a new resource to UniPhi. First, go to the resource module and search for the new user's name in case they are already in the system. If not, then press the Create Resource button. Enter their name and contact info. If they will require access to UniPhi, give them a license level and a login username. This can just be their email. You can add any other details such as phone number, standard hours, and rates. When you have all their details, link the resource to an organization. If their organization isn't in the system, you can create it here. If the organization is already in the system, use the search bar to find it. When finished, press Save or Save and Drill to view their profile page. From this page you can edit their details and add them to projects using the Projects sub-navigation. Thanks for watching.